Just thought I would share another quick tutorial here for anyone that's interested that involves a landscape as opposed to a person. I have a couple images that I got that were free online, free to use online, but I had to do it through my phone because they were on free stock photography websites, and the school district blocks them. So I saved them from my phone, and then I saved them to my drive, just to make sure that I'm not infringing on anyone's copyrights here. And I didn't have any good landscape images on my phone that I wanted to use. Okay, so I got a forest and some woods here. I'm going to take this image and I'm sorry, forest and a river here. I'm going to turn the opacity down so I can see through it as I size and position this, but I want it to kind of align with this path a little bit was my plan. Okay, use the blend button to come and adjust my opacity. I'm going to turn it back up to completely opaque. I'm going to cut. I'm going to use the Smart tool here and see how well it'll work for me. I'm going to invert because what I want to keep is actually this. I think I'm going to come in and I'm going to subtract some more from this. Went a little too far there. Switch to the basic tool. Change my brush a little bit smaller. Sorry, you can hear me clicking so loud. I got to really bang on my keyboard to get it to work on this computer. Okay, I'm going to feather my edges. I actually want to see the other one now. Let's try feathering them up all the way. I'm going to come back to my blend mode. And I want to play around with these a little bit and see what the possibilities are for getting it to letting them blend together like a double exposure. I think I kind of like luminosity. I'm going to turn my opacity down a little bit too. Go a little lower. I'm going to come back with my other layer here, my landscape portion of it. And I'm going to play with the blend mode on that as well. Hang on a second here. Oh, it's not doing anything because there's no layer below it. The blend mode only affects the way it blends with the layers below it. Since this is the bottom layer, it's not changing at all. I can do some adjustments though. And again, I think I'm going to come up here. I want to turn that on so I can see what it looks like. I like it cooler. I'm on the forest layer here. Turn that contrast up a little because I want to see those shadows coming through the river image a little bit better. Let's check out clarity. Let's try to see what it looks like when I turn that all the way down. Yeah, I like that softer. Okay. I'm going to come back to the river for a moment here. And I'm going to play with the adjustments for this as well. Again, I want to see what it looks like over the top of the forest. Let's see if I turn that temperature down to make it cooler colors. I like that. Okay. So again, just trying to give it a little bit of a mood here. All right. That's it.